Hey there, Robert. This is Calvin. We spoke on the phone. I want to shoot you over this video to show you guys how you guys can start beating out your competition online. Looks like you guys are not doing too bad of a job right now. So looking at your website, the first thing that I wanted to cover is content. And that's basically anything that you can see on your front page is considered content, including the images. What's behind the images are also included in content. So it looks like you guys have quite a bit of content on your front page, and you should be beating out your competition. And it looks like when I do a search for window cleaning Huntington Beach, you guys actually show up right in the top three in the map section. And I'm actually here in Huntington Beach, so um, this is what shows up for me when I do the search. And so, in order to beat out your competition in this map section, you already have some content. Maybe we can modify or add to the content to make it more optimized for the search engines. But beyond that, the second thing I want to talk to you about has to do with this little map section right here, which it looks like you guys are already kind of in. And in order to beat out your competition here, you need to have more citations than your competition. So basically, a citation is anywhere that you can list your business's name, address, and phone number. And so basically, having more than your competition allows you to outrank them. So basically, my job would be to go out and find the places that your competition is currently getting listed and get you listed in there as well. And so there's tools that are out there that can help me find those places, and some of them cost money, some of them are free, and so it just it has to do a little bit. I have to do a little bit more research to take a look to see what your competition is doing in order to get that type of stuff. But that's the type of work that I do for you. And then this other part down here, this is right underneath the map section. This is what we call the organic section. And in order to rank out in the organic section, you need to have what's called backlinks. So backlinks are basically just another website that's linking back to your website, much like a citation, but a citation is like a specific type of backlink. Um, but these backlinks will help bring power and trust to your website, so that Google search engines can start noticing you more. And so when we're looking through the search results, we obviously see like places like Yelp, which people are paying to be listed in there. And there are, Squeegee Pro, which is kind of, it looks like it's, cities, Huntington Beach. It looks like this is more of like a national type of website. So it looks like they have a lot more like money backing them, kind of thing. And then I don't know, Squeegeezy. I didn't really look too much into them. And then there's Angie's List, and then there's Dave Davis window cleaning. I did take a look at Davis, but it didn't look like he was really doing too much. And I think this is just kind of every now and then Google does what's called like the Google dance, where they'll put like people that are down on the bottom up at the top, and kind of see how they play out for a while, and then if they don't do very well, they'll put them back down. I think this is kind of what's going on with this one, because this website didn't really have a lot of good stats. I'm sure I could dig deeper into it if I needed to, but at first glance, this one didn't really seem to be doing much. And then there's your website. Um, um, your website down here, and in order to beat out your competition up above you, you want to try to, just like citations, you want to go out and find some of the same backlinks that your competition is doing, but you don't want to just stop at whatever your competition is doing. You want to beat them out by getting more than what your competition has. So, taking a look at one of your competitors, we got Darling Window Cleaning. I can notice right off the bat that their website's not even secured, so whoever's managing their website isn't even really doing it right. But as you can see, looking at their website, they do have quite a bit of content that can help get them found, just like you. But it looks like you have more content, so why would they be outranking? And so that brings me to the other point, having to do the backlinks. So looking at your backlink kind of infrastructure, we can see that you have some referring domains sending you some backlinks. It's getting you found for some keywords, which is bringing you some traffic. It looks like there has been some work done on your website, but not a whole lot of power or trust going on there. And then I take a look at the Darling window cleaning. You can see that they actually have less referring domains and backlinks than you, but you can see that even with less keywords, they're getting more traffic. So it's just more focused in, more honed in on their target audiences. So As you can see here, they're constantly improving month over month. Um, it looks like they were doing some paid advertising at one point, but it looks like they had stopped doing some paid advertising now that their organic traffic started to kick in a little bit more. So I hope this information has been helpful for you. And if you'd like to know more, please reach out to me, or just respond to this email or give me a call back on my cell phone number. Thank you and have a great day.